It was very common back in the 90s to cover products in a soft touch coating made from rubber. The problem is that the rubber breaks down over time, leaving a sticky residue. Like this Sigma lens, for example. In the 30 or so years since they came out, the rubber Sigma used on the barrel has degraded and turned into a sticky mess. It gets all over your hands, and worst of all, with this being a push-pull lens, it makes it impossible to zoom in or out. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I go about removing it. First, I'll take a clean paper towel and then pour some isopropyl alcohol onto it. If you don't have any isopropyl to hand, you could try another product containing alcohol, like hand sanitizer for example. These often contain up to about 70% alcohol. This will dissolve the rubber coating, taking it back down to the original painted metal. So take the dampened paper towel and just start rubbing. And you can immediately see that it's taking off the coating. Keep rubbing a bit more and you can already see a patch of clean painted metal underneath. So now it's just a case of doing this across the whole lens. Keep adding more alcohol to the paper towel as necessary and switching to a clean bit of towel. Unfortunately, the lettering on this lens is printed on top of the coating, so removing the coating will naturally remove the lens markings too. Sadly, there's just no way around this. You could maybe print a decal on water slide paper afterwards if the lens markings are really important, but personally I'm not too bothered, I just want to have a usable lens. After about 10 minutes of cleaning, the lens was easier to pull, so I was able to pull it out to the maximum zoom range, revealing more of the sticky coating underneath. So it was back to cleaning to remove this too. So here we are now after about 20 minutes of cleaning and we're left with a nice, clean, non-sticky surface. No more tacky residue on my hands and I'm finally able to zoom in and out freely. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. That's it for now, thanks for watching.